Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 3 of the Motovlog. It's gonna be a oil change for today. So I got it on the stand already. These are the parts you need, well the tools actually. So you got the socket and wrench. I think that's a 7, a 10 and a 17 I believe. I could take a look at it, but and I have an oil filter. And that box next to it, it's like a oil filter like thing, so I can use it to torque. And those are picks, and that's a crush washer right there. And that's a 4 millimeter, I believe, T handle and a torque wrench. And that's pretty much it, man. So I'm gonna get started here. I have the oil behind me and everything, and I think that's all I need. So we're gonna remove these 3 things here, and this one too. Oh crap, my knees hurt already. Okay. Don't try to lose this little, there's little silver things here. These things have this thing right here. Can't lose those. These little plastic washers. Alright guys, I had to get a chair because my knees are hurting. So this one's a little difficult to take out. There you go. Got it out. Oh, let me take this off. It's like it's a garbage here. Okay, that's it. So now after taking this off, let me get the camera real quick. So after taking those 4 bolts off, right? So you had this 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta take, I think, there's this guy right here, right there. You gotta use a pick, but you have to be on this side of the bike to reach it. And this one you have to pull it out. So I'm gonna push that one out. And I think this one here, I think I can just push this. Oh, there we go. There it is. All right, it's one out. And then the one in the back, we have to go use one of these things here. So the one in the back, we're gonna use one of these things here. So, all right, look in the back here. Where the heck is it? Oh, there it is. Let's see if I can get it a good target on this guy. There's that bad boy. That guy right there. Okay, so you gotta get this guy out first. Just grab it. Alright. That was a pain to remove. Okay. Try to get the fender out. Oh, a piece of rock fell out. Okay, that just came out. One down. Okay. After that, we're gonna take this out right here. Uh, okay, that's one down. Then this guy, I believe, is the bolt that I need to take off. Oh, in addition, I have a screwdriver too. Oh man, this was loose, dude. Look at this. You see that? This screw was already loose. I've been riding my bike with this thing loose. With this thing loose right here. Hold on. This thing was loose. Look at this. That's crazy. I think it's a small screw. Look, it just came out. Alright. I gotta take this guy out. Oops. Just a bolt. There you take out. Just a bolt. Oh. And there's one more here to take out also. Oh, this has a washer. This one here has a special washer. So this one goes to the very back. Good thing this is recorded. But this also has a washer also, actually. This comes off, man. So we're just gonna put this here. Hopefully that catches it. This one is for this guy. So this is 17 and this was 10. Ooh. That's pretty tight. Man, that freaking hurt. Look at this. Woo. Let me switch to the smaller one. That was in there pretty tight. Hold on, actually. Before I take this off, I gotta run the bike for a little bit. Alright guys, we're back. So I'm gonna loosen this guy after I let the bike warm up. Uh, all this oil is just gonna come out. Alright, I do have this one, which is a universal filter wrench. So this is the thing, the old crush washer. We're gonna take this out and put a new one. I got these crush washers here from Auto Major, the original, and this is the new one. So this one a little bit bigger. I don't know if it makes a difference. As long as it fits, right? If it's... Now let's talk about this oil filter. This is the one that came with it. Just so you guys know, the part number is... Hold on, it's got a lot of oil in there. The part number is 5GH13440-80, which matches the one I have here. 5GH134480. Yep, they're exactly the same. I got the drain bolt here with a new crush washer. So we're gonna put this on there. This has a torque spec of 32 pounds. Let me get my torque wrench. And then that's it. Okay, let me get my new filter. This is the old filter. Uh, it's still leaking, but if you look at it, what's the model number? There's the model number right there. You see that? I can't flip it over because it's got some oil in it. But this is the one that came with the vehicle itself. This is my new oil filter. So you can see same part number. Alright, 5GH13444080. Now this is my oil. Yamalube. Alright, let me zoom out real quick. The oil, okay? Alright, zoom back in right there. So this thing takes 2.75, I believe. Oh, some debris here. I'm doing this outside, so we're gonna put some oil around it. It looks like there's some oil there, but I don't know. And from what I saw online, some people put a little bit of oil in here just to help the engine, apparently. And I'm just gonna hand tight this for now. This has a torque spec of 13 foot-pounds. So I have this thing here, this tool, that's gonna clamp on this guy here. So I can torque it to 13 pounds. Not 13? And then it's pretty in there, so you look at it, the oil right there is empty. This is the oil I have. This one is gonna be 2.75 quarts. This one holds 1 quart, so I need like 2.75 of these. So hopefully there's no leaks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start the engine now. It looks like it's over full. I'm overfilled with oil because I haven't started the engine yet. So right here it looks really full. But once I start the the bike, the oil should circulate and then yeah, it should level. I'm just gonna check for leaks. Hopefully there's no leaks. Alright, no leaks, man. Alright, now time to put everything back. So the oil should have leveled back. And it has. Great. Alright, now it's time to put the stuff back. We're gonna start with the bottom fairings. Something like this. Let me get my tools. You see it? This one goes over here. And then just this one goes over here. Hold on, let me get a break. My knees hurt. Oh my gosh. I don't want to do this anymore. Anyway, so there's like a little notch here. And that's gonna go right here. Because my back hurts, man. Good. I don't want to make this too tight because I could break it. So when you put this on, you have to have it out like this, and then you push in. It's okay. Well, that's pretty much it, man. I'm done. Alright, I'm done with this. This took me a long time because I didn't have some parts. Actually, it took me about an hour if I combine all the time and stuff. Alright, dude. This is my first oil change on this bike, so it's a little like messy and everything, but it's a good experience so far. Anyway, thanks for watching, man. Peace out.